Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anant and today in this video I will discuss all about array methods. In my last videos here I have discussed string, number and object methods, and in the below I have noted down all important array methods you can see here. So if you want you can pause this video and you can read the method name and you can read the definition also. By the way, I will discuss each method one by one. So in this video I will discuss the push method and the pop method. This push method is most important method. Always we use this method in our real life project. So now I will go to the HTML file, and here this is the syntax of push method, and I will give you the real life example where you can use this push method. First understand this method and understand what it does. So here I have array, you can see, and if you want to add one more value in this array or multiple value, how you can add? So that time you have to write this array name. Okay, I want to add in this array, so I have written this array variable, then the method name dot push, and whatever value you want to add, that you have to add here. So here if you write like this way, so in the console you will get the output 1 2 3 4 5, because here I have pushed one value which is 5. Let's see the output first. Here you can see the output. Now if you want to add the multiple values, so here you can add comma 6. Here it will add like this way. So array.push method means if you want to push one extra value in the array, so you can do like this way. And now I will show you the real life example where you can use array.push method. So for that purpose I have opened most popular site Flipkart. So when I open this Flipkart site, here you can see I am getting a register form. If you open a Flipkart site, you will get a register form. Means multiple register form Flipkart provides for multiple user, right? Means multiple data we store, right? So here multiple data means we can't store inside a single variable. Like if I write where a, so in this variable I can store only one data. But if I write array, so here you can see multiple data I can store 1 2 3 4 like this way. So when you will register, so that time it will push your data like this. When I will register, then it will push my data again like this. That means array.push method can be used for this purpose. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now I will show you array.pop method, what it does and the syntax of this pop method. So for that I will go to the HTML file again, and here you can see I have written the syntax of array.pop method. So here just simply you have to write the array name. For me this variable is my array, so I have written this one, and the method name dot pop like this. So what it does, suppose you want to cut the last value of an array, so you have to write this method. Means the output will be 4, because for this array the last value is 4. If I want to cut this last value means 4, so I have to use this array.pop method. So after using this method I have stored inside this new array variable and I console this new array variable. So the output will be 4 here. Let's see in the browser. So you can see the 4, and while it cut the last value, so that means if I console this array, what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. So I will console dot log this array variable, and if you have already guessed, it is fine, otherwise I will say the output. So the output will be 1 2 3, because 4 I already cut. So now let's see in the browser. See, I am getting 1 2 3 because 4 is removed, right? Hope it is clear. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.